stop crying.
Hi guys. This video will show you how to watch video using Picture-in-Picture in Google Chrome extension. What is Picture-in-Picture? Picture-in-Picture extension allows you to watch videos in a floating window, so you can keep an eye on what you're watching while interacting with other sites or applications. To get the Picture-in-Picture Chrome extension, the first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Go to More Tools, and select Extensions. Head on over to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're here, navigate to the top left-hand side of the Chrome Web Store, and left-click on this search box here. Search the following Picture-in-Picture, and then hit Enter to search. You should see Features, and make sure you tick by Google So Left. Once you've done that, at the very top here you should see Picture-in-Picture extension by Google. Once you've found the Picture-in-Picture extension, all you need to do is select it. Click on the Add to Chrome button to add Picture-in-Picture to your extensions. You'll get this little pop-up window. Click on the Add Extension button. Once you've done that, Picture-in-Picture extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. As you can see, you get another little pop-up window here that says use this extension by clicking on this icon, or by pressing Alt+P on your keyboard. What I recommend doing here is navigating to the top right-hand side of your browser, and left-clicking on this little jigsaw puzzle here, which is the extensions icon. Once you've done that, find the Picture-in-Picture extension, and then left-click on the pin extension icon to pin it to your Google Chrome browser. As you can see here, Picture-in-Picture is at the top right-hand corner of our browser. I'm now going to show you how you can use this extension.
샛별
Thanks for watching this video.